In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Slack conversations from your workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to request a data export, what to expect during the process, and how to handle the file Slack sends you. First, a quick heads up. This feature is reserved for workspace owners and admins. If you're not one of those roles, you won't see the export options, so you'll need to ask someone with the right permissions to run the export for you. Exports are most commonly used for record keeping, audits, or handing off conversations for compliance reviews. Start by opening Slack in your web browser and going to your workspace settings. From there, look for the Import/Export Data section, then switch to the Export tab. This is where you'll set the scope of your export. Choose the date range that fits your needs. Narrowing the range can make the process faster and the resulting file smaller and easier to work with, especially if your workspace has a lot of activity. Once you've set the date range, click Start Export. Slack will begin preparing your data on the back end. You don't have to keep the page open. You can continue your day. When the export is ready, Slack will email you a link to download it as a zip file. Depending on how much data you requested, preparation time can vary from a few minutes to longer. If the email doesn't arrive after a reasonable wait, check your spam or junk folder. When you receive the message, download the zip file and store it somewhere secure. The contents are typically organized in folders by channel, and the messages are in JSON format. That means they're structured text files that you can open with a code editor, a text editor, or import into analysis tools. Timestamps, user references, and message content are all included, and you may see links to files or attachments stored in Slack. Keep in mind that what's included depends on your workspace's plan and policies. Exports generally cover public channels, while private channels and direct messages may require additional permissions or legal approvals set by your organization. Because this file can contain sensitive information, treat it like any other confidential record. Limit access, give it a clear name with the date range, and consider storing it in a secure, backed up location. If you need to share it, send it through a trusted method and avoid posting it in public channels. That's it. Use workspace settings, open Import or Export Data, go to the Export tab, select your date range, and click Start Export. Then watch for Slack's email. Download the zip and handle it securely.